Lesson 63, reading practice number 3. Dear Miss Baird, at this time, our editors are working on our 20th annual guide to women's clothing, period. It is scheduled to appear early this winter, period. It will contain more than 400 pages, and it will reach several thousand well-informed women throughout the country, period. These women are members of families that have an income that is 50% more than the national average income, period. They can demand and do demand the best paragraph. You can reach these prospects with a full page ad in our guide for only $500 paragraph. If you want definite, detailed information about our guide, call our advertising manager, Mr. Clinton J. Moses, at 555-1180, period. You will be glad you did, Miss Baird, period. Cordially yours,